Hi, welcome back to Sanil's Kitchen. No matter what the function is, but definitely there will be a sweet dish in every menu. Sheera is something which is commonly prepared in most of the occasion. Sheera is also known as rava pudding or suji halwa or even as kesari bath. In today's video, I am going to show you how to prepare different variety and different colored of suji halwa. Let's see how to prepare it, but before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon to get the notification. To prepare rava kesari bath or sheera, here I have taken fine rava, or you can take the other rava, around 6 cups, sugar 6 cups, or even you can take more if you need more sweet. Saffron soaked in 2 tablespoons of milk, that's a pinch. Ghee, we need 1 to 2 cups. Cardamom powder 1 tablespoon. Grated carrots 1 small cup. Grated beetroot 1 small cup. Apart from this, I have taken chiku or sapota 1 to 2. Banana 1 to 2. Pineapple pieces 1 small cup. Dates soaked in milk for at least 10 minutes. Raisins and cashew nuts. We need to fry this in ghee. Let's prepare the sugar syrup. There are different varieties in preparing this rava pudding. Here I have taken 1 cup sugar and 3 cups of water, and we need to boil it for some time. Need not wait till the string consistency. Now the sugar syrup is ready. In another pan, here I have taken around 1 tablespoon of ghee, and then I am adding 1 bowl of rava. We need to fry this until fragrant and crisp. Now add ghee and then fry the beetroot grated just for 1 minute. To this, add the roasted rava and mix it well so that the rava is completely mixed with the beetroot. To this, add the prepared sugar syrup and keep mixing. You can add the sugar syrup in batches. Check the consistency and keep adding the sugar syrup. Make sure that there is no lumps. So give it a good mix. Beetroot lovers will definitely love this. The rava gets completely cooked with the sugar syrup, and by then add ghee. You can add more ghee or even less. To this, I am adding cardamom powder and the fried cashew nuts and raisins. Just close the lid and cook for some time, and the beetroot pudding is ready. Now in another pan I am adding ghee, and to this I am adding grated carrots. Fry it well for some time. This is another method of preparing the rava pudding or sheera. You can prepare in any method. Now once the carrots are fried, to the same pan I am adding the ghee and frying the rava. To this I am adding water and again mix it well so that there is no lumps. You can prepare any variety Since we close the lid, it cooked within a short time. Now to this I am adding sugar, and then we need to add the fried carrots and mix it well. Add cardamom powder and the dry fruits, and once again close the lid and cook in low flame. Now the carrot pudding is also ready. Next, move on to the third one, that is we need to take a pan and then add the finely chopped pineapples. Fry it well for some time, and to this add the roasted rava and then mix it well. To this add the prepared sugar syrup and then mix it well. So as I have already told you, it's really quick and easy. If the sugar syrup is ready and the rava is also roasted, then it takes hardly 3 to 4 minutes to get it done. Here I have added saffron soaked in milk. You can replace this in artificial color too. Now to this add the dry fruits and cardamom powder. You can add pineapple essence also, but I have skipped this. Now you can see the colorful pineapple pudding is also ready. We'll move on to the next. To pan add ghee and then add the soaked dates. I have de-seeded the dates and fry it just for 1 or 2 minutes. To this add the roasted rava and then again mix it well. With the same procedure, I am adding sugar syrup and then completely mixing it. So now this is done. To this I am adding the dry fruits and also the cardamom powder. Now the dates pudding is also ready. Different colored and different choice. Same way again I am frying banana in 1 tablespoon of ghee and also adding the roasted rava 1 cup. To this I am adding the prepared syrup and mixing it well so it will get cooked immediately. Now add ghee, then cardamom powder and the dry fruits. Ghee gives extra flavor and richness to this dish. So same way I am adding chiku or sapota pieces, and to this I am adding the roasted rava and also the prepared sugar syrup. Now this is also done. This is really an amazing dish and also quick and easy. You will really love this. These dishes have a velvety texture and will definitely melt in mouth. Do try it and let me know your comments.